In an era where obesity and overweight issues are increasingly prevalent, finding effective, sustainable methods for fat loss is more crucial than ever. This video delves into the top 3 scientifically proven strategies for fat loss in 2024, offering a blend of nutritional advice, exercise guidelines, and lifestyle changes grounded in the latest research. Let's jump to the topic: balanced and nutrient-dense diet. The cornerstone of effective fat loss is a balanced, nutrient-dense diet. Moving away from short-term fad diets, a focus on whole foods provides the body with essential nutrients while promoting weight loss. Numerous studies, including those published in the Journal of Nutrition and American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, have consistently shown that diets rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains are effective for long-term weight management and overall health. Here are some practical tips. Emphasize portion control to avoid overeating. Incorporate a variety of fruits and vegetables for essential vitamins and minerals. Choose whole grains over refined grains for sustained energy and better digestion. Include lean protein sources like poultry, fish, beans, and legumes to aid muscle repair and satiety. Number 2, regular physical activity. Exercise is a vital component of fat loss. A combination of cardiovascular and strength training exercises not only aids in burning fat, but also improves overall physical and mental health. Research, including a 2023 study from the American College of Sports Medicine, indicates that a mix of aerobic exercises and strength training is most effective for losing fat. Regular physical activity increases metabolic rate and builds muscle mass, both key in shedding excess weight. Practical tips for regular physical activities. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity per week, as recommended by health authorities. Include strength training exercises at least twice a week. Find activities you enjoy to ensure consistency, whether it's cycling, swimming, or a dance class. Number 3, consistent sleep and stress management. Often overlooked, adequate sleep and effective stress management play crucial roles in weight loss. Poor sleep patterns and high stress levels can lead to hormonal imbalances that promote weight gain. Studies, such as those from the National Sleep Foundation, have linked sufficient sleep and lower stress levels to a decreased risk of obesity. Stress reduction techniques like mindfulness and yoga have been shown to positively impact weight loss efforts. Practical tips for consistent sleep and stress management. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Establish a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to manage stress. Conclusion: effective fat loss in 2024 is not about quick fixes, but about a holistic approach to lifestyle changes. Combining a balanced diet with regular exercise and good sleep and stress management practices is key to achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Always consider consulting healthcare professionals for personalized advice and ongoing education in your weight loss journey. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.